Okay, I'm going to show you a trick, a card trick, and I'm going to teach you how to do it. And I'm going to teach you two different variations. Both are identical up to the last part pretty much. So, what you're going to need is, you're obviously going to need at least one deck of cards. You're going to have your spectator have something to write on, something to write with, and possibly a calculator if they're like me and can't do math. Right here, I've got a piece of paper with my prediction on it. And I'm not going to touch that. In fact, I'm going to push it up a little bit there. Okay, so I'm not going to touch that. So what you're going to have your spectator do is pick a number. They can pick any number they want, 1 through 9. We're just going to use 7. They're going to pick another number that's less than this one. So they're going to pick 5. And they're going to pick a third number less than the second number. So let's put 2. Okay? And they're going to reverse that. So it's going to be 2, 5, 7. And they're going to subtract 2. Like I said, I'm bad at math, so let me get my calculator out. Okay, so we've got 752 subtract 257, which gives us 495. And then you're going to reverse that. And you're going to add those two together. Which gives you 1089. Okay? So now what you're going to tell them is you're going to pick a number out of that 1089, that can correspond to a card in the deck. So obviously it has to be below 52. Let's go with 10. So I'm going to open up the deck, take out the jokers, we don't need those, and we're going to go to the 10th card. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's the 10th card. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you that card. 9 of clubs. Now, I'm going to open up my prediction. Nine of clubs. Now if you're saying, oh well, he just picked that because that's exactly what it's going to be, you're wrong. And I'll show you why. Because you could have only picked the numbers 1, 8, 9, 10, and 18. If I put this card deck back properly, you've got the first card, 9 of clubs. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I messed them up. So there would be 8. There's the 9th card. And I messed them all up. Basically, at those positions, I've got a 9 of clubs. There should be another one in here somewhere. There it is. So I actually have 5 9 of clubs in this deck. So no matter what you would have picked, you would have got the 9 of clubs, and my prediction would have been perfectly fine. I'm taking one of these and putting it here because it goes to the original deck. If you're going to do it this way, take out 4 cards. Because with the extra 4 cards in there, it doesn't really fit into the box that good. Okay? So all you need is 4 duplicate cards. A cheap way to do this is to go buy 2 pinochle decks. Because each pinochle deck has, I can't remember what they are, but it's like, I think it's 9 through king, or ace, I can't remember. But they have 2 cards. And so I happen to have 2 9 of clubs laying around from when I scrapped the decks to make gaff cards. And so I used 2 of those, and I bought a pinochle deck, which gave me 2 more. So I've got the original from this deck, so then I've got the 5. Another way to do it and I have this deck set up for that. Okay, so you already know how to do this part. Any numbers, by the way, any 3-digit number that's a consecutive order like that, when you reverse it, subtract it, take that, reverse it, and add it, it's going to come up with 1089. So that's one key. Let's say you picked 18. To me, this is a little bit better of a version. Again, got one joker. Oh, it's stuck in there. So it's 2 jokers. And let's go to the 18th card. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 3 spades. And what I did is actually I wrote it down just because I don't really feel like memorizing it. What card lies at what number. And obviously if you're doing this, you would just memorize it. The advantages of doing it with duplicate cards is you can have your prediction pre-made. The advantages of doing it with 5 random cards is you can fan the deck out and show them when you're done. Also, this is the zombie deck. It's got me zoom in actually. You can see this a lot better. There goes the zombie deck, and it is a bicycle deck. Show you the comparison of the back of the cards. So you can see there's some like blood and got some little zombie features, and the fronts are a little different. And also they got little zombie hints in there. The court cards, aces, got little zombies and stuff on them. Like this one, zombies are a lot like stalkers. They watch everything you do, and so you know, it's just a neat little deck to have. And of course, the queens are woman zombies, you know. So it's a neat little deck to have. You know, other than that, there's nothing special about it. So there's 2 ways to do that trick. Go ahead, have fun with it. Another thing about this, you can use it as like a bar bet. If you like, you know, tell them that you can do math faster than they can or something like that, since you already know what the end is going to be anyway. You know, what you can do is tell them, okay, so write down your number, subtract it, give me the answer, reverse it, add it together, 1089, and then, you know, just be like amazed. I personally don't think it's that good, so that's why I kind of developed it into doing it with this little card trick. So, hope you like it. There you go.